Hi guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel, Evolving Elle. Today we are having some homemade macaroni and cheese, candy yams, sweet chili chicken strips, and some jerk chicken. Compliments of my daughter, the chef, yeah, Ivy, gratitude. And it's due to it's being my son-in-law born day. So blissful born day to you. And so yeah, it is currently oh 9:13. It is currently 9:13. I was looking at the weather. I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, let's dive in. And guys, do you see? Yeah, my girl got her Tabasco back. It's not the big one that I usually, but you know, let me taste the food and then I'll add as needed. As you all know, my daughter does do her macaroni differently. She doesn't add eggs, but it's the cheesiest, creamiest. Oh, yes, baby. You know what? Yeah. Let's not be stingy. To our guests. So, first bite. Ooh, my mouth is so big. The creaminess of the macaroni. And I know y'all saying, it's so hot. Yeah, and I'm upstairs where it's cooler. But lo and behold, half of the meal was cooked outside. Yeah, they surprised me when I looked out the window and saw them cooking outside. Yeah, so that's what's up. Water. So how's everyone rising, day, evening, afternoon, night going thus far? You know what? Let me just share this with you all. So you can get a real feel of what I hope this is focusing. A real feel of what I'm experiencing. Seasoned well and so nice and cheesy. The creaminess of the candy yams. I already know her chicken is always on point. So this is the sweet chili. Oh my goodness, it's falling off the bone. I'm trying to show you. And this is the jerk. Jerk to perfection. Get down. took out my hot sauce, but I don't even think I need it. How's you all weather? Where you're at? What are you eating today? I know usually, again, during this type of weather, everyone tends to do lighter meals, but again, this is for celebrating his born day, her partner's born day. When I thought they were going to go out, but he had to leave work. So I guess they'll get together later on and do something on his day off. The jerk chicken just fell off the bone, literally. I'm going to try to get this video out to you all. So I'm not going to be too long because the way my lighting is set up, baby, I definitely have to, not have to, I will invest. I'm going to invest in myself for the proper equipment that is needed for my platforms. Ooh. Didn't even need it. Hey, more for me for another day. Honestly, I like to thank everyone. A big shout out to everyone that have helped and encouraged me and shared your guidance and wisdom with me thus far on these journeys, on this journey, on my different platforms. I acknowledge you all, and you are truly appreciated. The lighting is changing. I don't want to mess my video up. Well, not mess it up, because I know it's not messed up, but I just want to, I don't want to end up in the dark. I don't know what possessed me to not charge everything. Like, I don't know. I was so focused on other stuff, but it's all right to be focused on other things. I just have to balance out everything. Yeah, because I don't want to be eating in the dark, and I don't want you guys to be I know I might be all over the place. Yeah, you know what it is? I think I hit that brick wall so fast. Like, I'm starting to do this. And that's okay. That's okay. But here we go. I'm not gonna hold you guys. Excuse me. I don't like to say that either. I want to correct myself when I'm saying that. My loves, yes, because, you know, I'd be like, my loves, my loves, my loves, my loves, my loves, because I know I come from a loving space. Oh, excuse me. But I don't know if y'all guys, if you all can tell, my words right. I don't know if you all can tell, but I am so excited. I feel so good. Like, this has been, like, wonderful for me. It really and truly has, and it's just up from here. So, again, I'll stay encouraged. I say the same for you, to stay encouraged, be encouraged. But until next time, guys, I got the AC, and I'm still just like, because I think the excitement and it's just like overload, but anyway, and just setting up everything and just like, but anyway, let me get it together. Until next time, my loves, continue to be you, be unique. Have a wonderful, amazing, fantastic rising, day, evening, afternoon, night. To any and everyone from any and every part of the world. I know you will, because that's the mindset that you set for yourselves. Peace, guys. I know I said that backwards, but that's okay anyway. Yeah, it is. It's fine. But still, you all know where I'm coming from and how I say it anyway. But anyway, I'm not going to hold you all too long. I'm also excited because Miss Beautiful Lady J is doing a karaoke tonight, so I don't know if she's still doing it, but as of now, I haven't seen or heard anything, like any cancellations or anything, so that's exciting. Yeah, to be joining that and, you know, enjoying myself with others, so, and just hearing everyone's talent. So yeah, that'll be fun as well. But until next time, guys, I'm just sitting here just like, okay, what else? What's next? And what do I want to say? And nothing else. I need to go and get these things out and done and be productive. And yeah, let's get her done. All right. Peace, my loves.